How to contact Walmart Pay Support. This tutorial shows you how to reach their support team and get help directly on Android. First, open the Google Chrome app on your Android device. From there, type Walmart Support in the address bar and tap the first link from the search results. After that, use the search bar on the Walmart support page to search for Walmart Pay. At this point, browse through the results and tap on the article that best relates to your issue. From here, read through the article to see if it covers your problem. Most common issues are addressed in the support articles directly. Following this, scroll to the bottom of the article where you'll find contact information, such as phone numbers and email addresses you can use to reach Walmart support directly. After that, if you prefer not to call, look for the Was This Article Helpful section and tap the Dislike button. From there, a text box will appear. Go ahead and explain your issue in detail and submit your request. At this stage, if you want to speak with someone directly, scroll down a little further and tap on Chat with Us. From here, you'll be asked to log into your Walmart account using your email or phone number before the chat opens. Finally, once logged in, you'll be connected with a support representative who can assist you with your Walmart Pay issue directly. That's how you contact Walmart Pay support on Android. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!